Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your van's cab look amazing like our cab, because VW I think sell vans and they look a bit boring. So I've had quite a few questions about where we've got the stuff from that makes it better, so I'm just going to run through it now and I'll drop all the links in the description so you guys can pick up the stuff as well. So first off, we've got the Dryrobe seat covers. So these are from Dryrobe, it's a local company to us in Devon. These are amazing. These are £40 each. So waterproof seat covers, and then they've got this like towel-like material on top. So they're very comfortable and super warm, especially when you get out of the sea after a surf. It's ideal to keep you warm, but obviously if you're living in a city, I bet it'd be perfect for the winter as well. So it's the same as their actual Gyro Coats they make, but just in a seat cover, so that's perfect. We've then got the steering wheel cover, which we got off Amazon for about £20. It's got the blue stitching around the edge to match the van. Obviously just makes the steering wheel more comfortable and it just looks a bit better. We've got the chrome accessory for the steering wheel. These are £3 off eBay. So again, nothing much, they're just adhesive and they stick on, but it really just makes your steering wheel look a bit more expensive than just having the cheap rubber and plastic steering wheel. We've then got the floor mats, which you got for car mats for you, or it might be demon mats, can't quite remember, but I'll check it out when I do the links in the description. They're about £20 to £30 and they're rubber, so they've got a bit of grip on them and they're really easy to clean. And then you've got the blue stitching around the edge, so you can obviously pick any colour you want. We picked blue to match the van. Then we got the chrome pedals, which look absolutely amazing, makes a massive difference. So they're about £13 off eBay, and you just pop off the old rubber ones and then just pop these on top and it makes a massive difference to the van's look. Cheap little fixes, you know, in total you're probably looking at like just over £100, but obviously you're paying £80 for the seat covers, so not including the seat covers. It's really cheap as upgrade, but it makes a massive difference to the look of the van without upgrading to a new expensive steering wheel. But that's all the accessories. I hope that's helped out, guys. Another quick little video, that's what we're trying to do. We're not trying to waste your time. When I do these little videos, I just want to do quick sharp videos that I'd want to watch, so I don't have to spend loads of time watching them. If that's helped you guys out and it's helped, you know, improve the cabs of your van, hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel to help support it. We'll see you in the next video.